Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Bharat Acoustics Lab. In this video, I'm going to talk about the acoustic treatment for your home theater. I'll be showing you some of the projects we have done. So, what is exactly acoustics? If you know about this, type in the comment box below. I would like to hear it from you. Acoustics is nothing but it's all about minimizing the reflections of sound. It is as simple as that. There is a lot of work that goes into creating a good home theater space. Obviously, the TV or projection system is a major component, along with choosing the right type of seats, proper theater lighting, and of course, the right speaker system. But there is one aspect of a home theater that is incredibly important and must be carefully fine tuned, that is the acoustics of the room. Do remember, guys, acoustics plays a vital role in a home theater installation because it is the key factor which helps you get that cinematic sound experience at your home. The quality of the sound as well as the acoustics of the room matters a lot. When creating a home theater space, I have seen a lot of people simply focus on speakers. While having a great surround system is a key aspect, too much sound can actually create a terrible experience, guys. It can create a terrible experience, too much sound. Since home theaters are often small compared to the traditional movie theaters, sound waves bounce around and can actually create an echo in your room, or you can call it the reverberation, which is muddy, unclear sound. So, do remember, guys, uh, since home theaters are small compared to traditional movie theaters, it can actually create unclear sound in your room. This is where home theater acoustic panels can provide a solution for that. So the acoustic panels are generally called the absorbing panels, which are generally made up of wool or foam. So how do acoustic panels work? They are designed to absorb some sound waves and dampen the echoing or reverberation they can cause. They are placed throughout a room at specific strategic points to control the sound waves they bounce into the room. So next, coming to the noise reduction coefficient, that is the NRC. This is the measuring unit for any acoustic panel that you use in your home theater. For instance, example, NRC rating of 0.70 means it absorbs 70% of the sound and reflects back 30% it back into the room. Generally, the thicker the panel, the higher NRC rating it will have. In these absorbing panels, you need to have two kind of absorbing panels in your room, that is your home theater room. Those are acoustic panels and the bass trap. What is bass trap? You haven't heard of it anytime? So now I'm going to explain about it. While acoustic panels are used to absorb harsher sounds of mid-range and high-range frequencies, bass traps are made for low-frequency sound muffling, such as bass drums, thunder, or deep, low sounds. These kind of sounds are widely used in horror and thriller films, guys. So do remember, you need to have that bass trap to experience that horror film or thriller film at your home, as they can create a rather unsettling noise which adds to the tension of a scene. You will be watching a variety of horror films in a home theater, right? So you need to have this bass trap to watch all those thriller and horror films in your home theater. So coming to the home theater acoustic placement, it plays a major role because it can have an incredible impact on sound absorbing quality. Putting them in places where it does not naturally reflect, which essentially render the panels useless, you can find reflection points for optimal placement planning. However, coming to the acoustic panels, where do I place them? This will be covered in my next video, so do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I will be explaining you how many acoustic panels do I need in the next video. So the conclusion is that home theater acoustic panels can make all the difference, guys, in sound quality and overall viewing experience. Therefore, they should be a major part of your home theater design plan. So coming to our company, that is Bharat Acoustics Lab, is here to help you to create a home theater system of your dreams. We offer a wide range of designs and other accessories to create a room that entire family will enjoy for years to come. Remember guys, when you build a home theater, it need to be used for years and years to come. So build it nicely and set up it nicely with good acoustic treatment, so that you cannot complain that I am not getting that sound experience. Why I'm not getting the sound experience? You might be missing something. So build it nicely with acoustic treatment. We are here to help you. We will give you all the details in the description below. You can walk into our office, our showroom, and experience all the material which we are using to for the acoustic panels. So we will help you guys. We will definitely help you. You can reach us. So thank you, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on acoustic treatment. Thank you.